What is his diet, you ask? I will tell you. But first, I want to say, a lot of people seem to think that this is chocolate that I'm feeding him. And Mamma Mia, it's a tortilla chip. Come on. Poor tortilla chip. Usually we try to eat something healthy. Here we have a little sweet potatoes, some quinoa, and green beans. And Kona's looking at me like, where's the chip at, bro? Sorry. He's like, that's not a chip. What about this? No, not a chip. But wait. It'll do. Good job, Coco. Well, there is the aftermath. Thanks for watching.